Do you think that your fridge could be insufficiently cooling? You may think that your fridge may not be cooling your food sufficiently due to external factors, such as high temperatures during summertime. The inside of your fridge or your fridge drawers may seem a higher temperature than normal. If you're not satisfied with the cooling performance, you can always lower the temperature of your fridge from the front panel. This should balance the temperature changes in your fridge and let you use your fridge at the desired temperature. If the problem persists for more than 3 days, you can contact Bosch Customer Services. Bosch, invented for life.